Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to prove A inverse equal to A transpose by taking a 3 by 3 matrix in both normal and shortcut method. Let's begin the sum. Now we are going to prove A inverse equal to A transpose in a normal method. To prove this in a normal method, take left hand side. My left hand side is A inverse. Find the A inverse. For finding the inverse of A, my formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. First I am going to find the determinant of A. See here, A is equal to a scalar number into a matrix. To find the determinant for scalar into a matrix, there is a property in the determinant of Ka. My K is 1 by 9, that is scalar. A is the matrix 3 by 3. So how to find determinant for scalar into a matrix? That is, a property is K power n into determinant of A. My K is a scalar, that is 1 by 9. N is nothing but the order of a matrix. Here I had taken 3 by 3 matrix. So my n is 3. Substitute in the property 1 by 9 power n is 3 into determinant of A. My A is the matrix minus 8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7, 1 minus 8, 4. 1 by 9 the whole cube. 1 by 9 the whole cube is 1 by 729. Please check my previous video how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Now I am going to write the determinant value directly, that is minus 729. Cancel these two numbers, I will get minus 1. My determinant of A is minus 1. Now next I need adjoint of A. Similarly, we are going to find adjoint for a scalar into a matrix. Adjoint of Ka. There is a scalar matrix, so adjoint of Ka. I have another property in the adjoint. Adjoint of Ka is nothing but K power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. My K is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 the whole power. My n is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Check my previous video to find the adjoint. I am going to write the adjoint directly here. That is this is my adjoint of A. Now I am going to take a number 9 from this matrix. If I take a number 9 common, it becomes cancel this 9 and this 9, so I'll get only 1 9. This is my adjoint of A. Now I am going to substitute in the inverse formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. I got my determinant values minus 1 and adjoint values 1 by 9 into the matrix bring that minus inside to the matrix So it becomes minus 8, 4, 1, 1, 4, minus 8, 4, 7, 4. So this is my A inverse. So this is my 1. Now taking RHS. My RHS is A transpose. A transpose is nothing but changing the matrix A as row into column or column into row. So A transpose equal to 1 by 9. So changing the row into column, that is minus 8, 4, 1, 1, 4, minus 8, 4, 7, 4. This is my 2. From 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, A inverse equal to A transpose. Now we are going to see how to prove A inverse equal to A transpose in shortcut method. Before going to shortcut method, let us know about the concept of inverse. Let A, B be two matrices with the same order n. If AB is equal to I, then A inverse equal to B. If you multiply two matrices and it results the identity matrix, then the inverse of first matrix is the second. That is, the inverse of A equal to B. The inverse of first matrix is equal to second matrix. Here we need to prove the inverse of A is A transpose. By using this concept, I am going to multiply A into A transpose. If it results the identity matrix, then the inverse of first matrix is the second matrix. That is, the inverse of A is A transpose. We can prove by using this concept. So my A transpose equal to 1 by 9. Changing the row into column. Minus 8, 1, 4. Then second row into second column. 4, 4, 7. Then third row into third column. Now I am going to multiply these two matrices. That is, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Similarly for second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Similarly third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. So it results 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. Just take 81 common outside, so it becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 81 and 81 gets cancelled. So my A into A transpose results 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is identity matrix. My result is A into A transpose equal to I. According to the inverse, if two matrices multiplied and results the identity matrix, the inverse of first matrix is the second matrix. Here my first matrix is A and the second matrix is A transpose. Therefore, the inverse of first matrix is equal to the second matrix. We have proved the result. That is, A inverse equal to A transpose. I hope you all understood the problem in both shortcut and normal method. Viewers, I think you are all waiting for the solution for the previous video. We will discuss that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a nice day.